Okay, so the first thing probably that you want to know is how to split this particular channels from the analog read that gives you as many channels as you would have made available here on the front panel. So if I were to run now, let me just clear this chart. So the data that shows here is being plotted, but you have no easy access to each one of them unless you download them and then put them in Excel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it now, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can split the data so you can analyze it. One probably simpler way is if you already have this array into a cluster, then you can go from cluster and then unbundle, put that there, then go from the cluster there, and then you get access to all of the channels from that cluster. So this is nice and easy, but sometimes you may not quite know which channel is which unless you hover through. So see, if I hover on the first one, it says voltage on channel 0, hover on the second is voltage on channel 1, and so on. So this is the easiest way to split them, but not necessarily as easy to select which one you want. So the other way to do it would be by actually getting from this array the specific channel that you want. For that, you can go to array and then index array. If you put this particular array into that function, then it gives you the option of choosing which one of the channels you want. So I'm going to create there a constant. So if, for example, I say 0, that would be channel 0. If I say here channel 2 or 2, it would be channel 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 of them. So I'm just going to do it again, array, index array. I'm going to put it there and then feed it into that one, but here I'm going to get channel 1. So the output of each one of them is now then only that channel. So for example, I could just subtract one channel from another. So I can go there and subtract, let's say, channel 1 from channel 0 from channel 1, and then I could then go ahead and plot that only. So create an indicator, and then that indicator, instead I'm going to change it with a graph, graph and a waveform. And as we plot now, let me run this, we see only one plot here, which will be the one that we are plotting right now, which is the difference.